Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And if you are here watching this video, you made it to part 2 of my recent Amazon series. I do have a bunch of Amazon videos from the past, but recently I wanted to do like a 3-part series. So last week's video was all about my Amazon home purchases, so I'll leave that link down below. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of like my other random Amazon beauty / just like random Amazon favorites that didn't fit into the home category. Stay tuned because I will be uploading another Amazon fashion video, so that'll be up soon too. So definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out, especially if you love Amazon as much as I do. I will also leave my Amazon shop link down below so you can shop all of my previous Amazon favorites as well as favorites I always forget to mention in videos. So much talking. But without any more rambling, let's jump into some Amazon beauty and just random favorite gems. This is a home item, but I got it after I filmed my Amazon favorites, but this like faux eucalyptus, this is from Amazon. I'll leave it linked down below. All right, so first off, let's start with these cute glasses. So I have this set of 3 sunglasses. They came for only $22 and I am obsessed with them. I love these clear ones, however, they're not even blue light glasses or reading glasses. They're purely for aesthetic. Like, I feel like these would be a true gem if they were blue light glasses. Oh my gosh, I would never take these off. I feel like I just know what I'm doing in life. I'm just absolutely obsessed with like the detailing in the arms here. Also guys, please do not mind my nails. I need to get them redone. My acrylics will not come off and I've been in quarantine for 2 weeks. So that's why they look like this. But we're gonna pretend like we don't do that. And then they also come in black, which is my personal favorite. Like, I feel so bougie in these. And to get a set of 3 of them for only 20 bucks, like, you cannot go wrong. I am so obsessed with all 3 pairs, and Amazon really comes through when it comes to like sunglass sets. Like, they have some really cute options. So also from Amazon, I have my jewelry stickers. They're basically these stickers that are velvet on the front, and then you peel the back and you can stick it to any surface. The reason why I purchased this was because I didn't have as much surface area to store my jewelry on like the typical little like jewelry stands that hold the necklaces and all that. So I wanted to lay them all across my like top dresser drawer, but I didn't want them to slide around. So I literally got this. They're a pack of 20 for $10, that's it. And I just cut them up, lined my entire top dresser drawer, and just laid out all of my jewelry, all of my earrings, all of my rings. It all fit in there perfectly, and I can open and close the drawer just fine. They don't move around. I can see everything all together. So I honestly just love it so much more than my previous setup. It's also super easy to like put my jewelry away. So I love these, and I feel like I haven't heard anybody else talk about this. So if you're looking for a good, efficient, economical way to store your jewelry, get these. Put them on any surface in any drawer, and it just holds everything great. So moving on, I was trying to organize my life and get like new makeup organizers. So I'm gonna start off with the palette holders that I got. Hopefully they don't all come tumbling out. So I got 2 of these clear palette organizers, and I just prop them up on my vanity. They're super sleek, they're not an eyesore, and I just use it for holding like one for my face palette, one for my eyeshadow palette. And since it's clear, it doesn't like make it look too cluttered or anything on my vanity either. So I really like those. And then I also got these little clear acrylic things to hold my powder. I only have a 1 set because I just wanted it to hold my everyday powders that I could just keep out on my vanity. I can keep out on my vanity. They're easy access, but they're not just like thrown everywhere. It keeps it super organized and just like not cluttered and messy. But those would also be great to just fit in any drawer if you wanted like really nice aesthetic organizers to store powders, blushes, anything like that. You can get a bunch of them. Then I also got, I mean, she's dirty because she's used every day, but I also got this little like acrylic makeup holder. I believe this was only 20 bucks, and it comes with 4 drawers. I got this because they're stackable, so if I want to store more makeup, I can get another one to just like put on top, and it'll again look like seamless, cohesive, since it's like clear and it's not going to look too cluttery. And it's just perfect for my everyday products because it keeps them all out. I can see everything in there. Moving on, I have a couple of new jewelry pieces from Amazon. Now, a lot of you guys always ask where my jewelry is from. 9 times out of 10, it's from either Amazon or Misguided. So I recently got these little chunky, small croissant hoops from Amazon. You guys, I haven't taken them off probably in like 2 weeks because they're just so comfortable. I can sleep with them. I forget that they're there. I've showered with them. They go with every outfit. I'm gonna take them off too so you can see the detailing a little bit better. They're just so pretty, and the shade of gold is really nice too. You guys are always asking where I get my rings from, and they are from Amazon. Don't mind my dry, crusty hands. I've been washing them like crazy. But I have them in gold and silver, and I'm obsessed. I wear these every day. I've had them for probably like 4 months. Haven't taken them off, shower with them every day. The gold has tarnished a little bit, but honestly nothing unbearable. Like, I just love it as like an everyday statement piece, and I saved a lot more money than buying both of them from the real Cartier. And you get that kind of like similar vibe, but so much cheaper. Then I also have my beautiful croissant ring from Amazon. This one my sister-in-law actually gifted to me, but it was from Amazon and I love it. I've been wearing it like every day since I got it, and I just feel like my hands are nice and blinged out, but super affordable, and the quality of the jewelry is really nice too. On the topic of accessories, I also have some of my favorite hats from Amazon. So first up, we have this really pretty cream kind of like Sherpa bucket hat. I'm obsessed with the color of this. It's so cute. Now I will say that this hat runs big. It fits me because I have an abnormally large head. But if you have like a normal size head, this will probably be a little bit too big. But if you have a big head, this will work great for you. So next I have my cute little like winter beanie. I love the little puff on top. I love the color. It's a nice like creamy ivory. I love this. It keeps my head super warm when it's really cold out. And what's also great about this is that the inside is lined. So it really does keep you like nice and warm for those super cold winter days. Also, I forgot to mention my favorite small chunky hoops are also from Amazon. I love them because they look super expensive, but they're so inexpensive. I wear these all the time. I've had them for several months now and they still haven't tarnished. These are literally like the perfect size and width. They're the perfect everyday hoop where you can see them. They kind of make a subtle statement, but they're not overpowering. You can wear them with any outfit. It goes with anything. The color of the gold is stunning. And again, they look expensive, but they're super, super inexpensive. So I know how people are always raving about the Revlon like brush, blow dryer brush. Well, this one from Amazon is everything. My sister-in-law actually bought this for me for Christmas and I love it. It is from Amazon. I love the Dyson vibes on it though. It just looks so like sleek and pretty. It literally gives you the most gorgeous blown out just like wave. It leaves my hair super soft and shiny. It makes it so quick and easy to do your hair too. Like, I kid you not, I can blow out my whole hair, all this hair in 20 minutes. Not 20, maybe like 30 minutes, but normally it would take me a lot longer if I was using a regular blow dryer. But it does it so much quicker, and I just absolutely love it for those days when like I need to wash my hair, but I also need to style it right away after. This just comes in handy. I also love how lightweight it is because it doesn't hurt your arms when you're blowing out your hair. One thing I will say is I don't recommend using a brush like this every day because it will cause like breakage in like your baby hairs and stuff. So don't use it every day, but it's really nice to have for like occasion when you need to blow out your hair really quick, or you want that blowout look but you don't want to sit there for 2 hours blowing your hair out. Get this brush, you will not regret it. You'll love it. And it was only like 25 bucks. Then also let's get into some teeth products. So the first one I have is my little whitening kit. I've been using this for the past few months. I haven't used it in a while, so if my teeth look a little yellow, that's why. I normally like to use this once a month just to like get rid of any coffee stains or anything on my teeth. It comes with like a little light to help like speed up the whitening process, and then 3 little gel whitening things. And what's great about this one in particular is that it's from a small family-owned business that sells on Amazon, and the products actually work so good. After the first use, I saw results. It took away any like coffee stains right away. So I definitely recommend this, and it was only like 20 bucks. Then I also purchased my water flosser from Amazon. If you guys haven't tried a water flosser, you are missing out. I love this. It makes it so easy for when you want to like quickly floss out your teeth. This is for you. It has different modes. So it has like normal mode, a soft one, and then one that pulses. And yeah, it just makes it super easy and quick to just like clean out your teeth. Now moving on, I wanted to talk about some of the vlogging equipment that I got from Amazon. I have like a little card mount that I will try to insert a clip of. If not though, I will leave it linked down below. But it's basically just a little mount that I put on my car, and I can put my phone in there for whenever I want to vlog with my phone in my car. It's also great for GPS, and I just recommend it so much because I've had it on my car for months and it has held up. It hasn't like fallen off or anything on me. But then I also got this little vlogging contraption for my phone on Amazon, and it comes with this little like vlogging thing, the little mount where you can put your phone on, and then it comes with a little mic too that you can attach to your phone so that you can vlog with your iPhone but get better sound with it. It came with all three for such a good price, and then I just got this little adapter so that way the mic would fit in my like standard iPhone. I'm pretty sure that you could use this mic though in most cameras too. And then what's great about the vlog stand is that you can detach the top, so I'm able to kind of go back and forth between using my iPhone for my vlogging camera or my regular like Sony vlog camera, and I can just like twist my regular camera on top. It is so sturdy, like it's not flimsy, super good quality. It lets me keep like a super steady hand while I'm vlogging. So I really love that. I feel like not enough people talk about their vlogging equipment. So, and I mean, I'm by no means like a professional vlogger. My quality is decent, but it's not like, but it's very just like pretty basic. So these are the things I use to get like decent quality without spending a fortune. And then I also got this little light from Amazon to use whenever I vlog if I don't have any lights. It's just like a small little travel size light. It's portable, it's great, it's super bright, like it really does have a high impact. I don't know if you guys can see. So it's just great for whenever I want to like prop my vlogging camera up in a small corner and the lighting's not good. This is amazing for that without having to bring all of my studio lights out. What's great about this is that it also has a little slot to slide the mic in. So it's perfect for anybody if you're looking for vlogging, you don't know what camera to get, you don't know where to start, just get this little contraption here, use your iPhone, and boom, you can either vlog, you can just create YouTube content. Like this little contraption here goes a long way. Hey guys, so my audio cut out when I was filming this clip, but I was raving about this iPhone/iPad stand that I got. I love this stuff. It is such good quality. What's great about this stand is that you can change the height. You can raise it or keep it short. It can fit your iPad, your iPhone. The part where you put your phone or iPad in also like rotates 360 degrees. You can make it go forward so you can have like a nice up and over angle, or you can put it backward. I love it for filming like TikToks, IGTV, stuff like that. I love it for like just watching my iPad and stuff. I also love it for my viewfinder when I'm filming content because it keeps it at like a nice good height, and I'm not like looking down on it. I did used to have like a much smaller version, like little iPhone, iPad holder that was only 10 bucks. But I like this one so much more because, again, you can like raise the eye level of it. You can use it for filming content. You can use it for taking pictures, anything like that. It's super sturdy, such great quality. So I definitely recommend it. Then next up, I quickly just wanted to talk about some of my dog stuff that I get from Amazon. The first one is a game changer. It's this little Angel Eyes Gentle Tear Wipes. So you guys, lately TikTok has been really offending me because there's all these TikToks about fluffy, white, crusty dogs and how they're not cute and all of that, and it just really breaks my heart. So I got these wipes, and basically it helps get rid of the little like crusty things around their eyes, or if they get like those brown tear stains. You just use this daily and it removes it. It's worked for my dog amazing. Whenever I'd bathe him, I would try to get rid of it. It wouldn't go anywhere. But if you just use these daily, they're super, super gentle on them. He doesn't mind them at all. They don't burn his eyes or sting them. And it gets rid of the little like dark crusty things. So you will no longer have a crusty white dog. They will just be a cute, fluffy white dog. So I definitely recommend these if you have a dog that always gets those tear stains. I'm telling you, use these, they'll be your best friend. This is boring, but I quickly thought I ordered his little poop bags from Amazon, and they just come with a bunch of the little bags in a box. His leash is also from Amazon. I love this because it's super sturdy. So if I'm ever answering the door, I can just put him on his leash, lock it, and then since this part is weighted, I can set it while I'll go do something so he doesn't run to the door and attack whoever's there. Not that he would attack them, but you know what I mean. Like, you don't want them to get out. So it's nice because it's super sturdy and weighted, so I can just like use it while I grab the door to get something, and I don't have to worry about him trying to run out. I also have his little winter jacket from Amazon. I'll insert a little picture of it here. It's reversible. It's super cute. It keeps him warm. He loves it. And yeah, that's from Amazon as well. And all right, guys, that wraps it up for my random Amazon favorites. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like it, found some things that maybe you want to try out, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the Amazon fashion video that will be up. And also, please let me know some of you guys' Amazon favorites. I love shopping other people's Amazon recommendations. If you have an Amazon shop, leave it linked down below. I want to check it out. Don't forget to check out my shop though. I have a ton of good stuff, bunch of stuff I didn't even touch on in this video. So check that out. Yeah, I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe and have a great day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.